Welcome to the consideration stage of the buyer's journey. This is where you, as a savvy buyer, dive deeper into your options and evaluate different solutions to your needs. During this stage, you're researching, comparing, and analyzing various products or services that can meet your specific requirements. You're exploring websites, reading customer reviews, and seeking out expert opinions to gather as much information as possible. You're comparing features, benefits, and prices, using your smartphone to easily access all the information you need. You're watching video demonstrations to see how a product works or how a service can solve your problems. Armed with all this knowledge, you meticulously take notes and create a comparison chart to weigh your options. And let's not forget the power of social media and online communities, where you engage in discussions, ask questions, and seek advice from others who have had similar experiences. Finally, as you reach the end of the consideration stage, you find yourself deep in thought, carefully considering which product or service aligns best with your needs and priorities. So, keep exploring, comparing, and evaluating. The consideration stage is your opportunity to make an informed decision and choose the perfect solution for you. Because at the end of this stage, you'll be ready to move on to the next exciting phase of the buyer's journey. Happy researching!